Hey there, YouTube family. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance and demystifying a term you might have heard before but aren't quite sure about, the 401k. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be a 401k expert. A 401k is a type of retirement savings plan that's offered by many employers here in the United States. It's a way to save and invest a portion of your paycheck before taxes are taken out. Here's how it works. You decide how much money you want to contribute to your 401k, and your employer deducts that amount from your paycheck before taxes. The money you contribute is then invested in a variety of funds, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, chosen from the options provided by your plan. One of the coolest perks of a 401k is the tax advantages. Not only does your money grow tax deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on your earnings until you withdraw them, but your contributions also lower your current tax bill. Some employers even offer a match, which is like free money for your future. Vesting refers to how much of your employer's contributions you actually own over time. Some plans have a vesting schedule, which means you might have to stick around with your employer for a certain number of years before you fully own those matched contributions. A 401k is designed for retirement, so there are rules and penalties if you withdraw your money before you hit a certain age, typically 5912. If you withdraw early, you might face taxes and an additional 10 penalty, but there are exceptions. But what if you switch jobs? You can often roll over your 401k into a new employer's plan or an individual retirement account, IRA. This keeps your retirement savings growing and gives you more control over your investments. These retirement accounts are a powerful tool to help you build a comfortable future. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you've been on the job for years, it's never too early or too late to take advantage of a 401k. Make sure to do your research, understand your plan, and consider consulting a financial advisor if you're unsure. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep building that financial foundation for the awesome life you deserve.